This is kind of what I'm left with after sanding. Got a coworker that printed off a 3D template. I slapped it together and threw a little jiggly in it. Just giving it a paint job now. Instead of Fire Tiger, we're doing Tiger. My buddy Billy's idea. Almost done. About to slap some yellow on the fins. Hint of yellow in there for that fin. That should actually be good. Let's hit the other side. Something like that. Do a little. Not like that. Not too much, not too little. And it made all that much difference. There you go. This looks like a little fin now.